Here she is, in her cuteness. Wow. Hi, Alexa. She responds to her name now. She'll come when you call her. She has weaned herself. You see, what happened is I had to get new formula, but they didn't have any of the old brand that I usually get anymore. So I got a new brand, which maybe tastes different or something. I don't know. But she refuses to drink it. She wants it. She's thirsty. She wants it, but she refuses. You know, when you give it to her, she has a little bit of a taste, and she's like, no, get that out of my face. And then you pull it away, and she's like, wait, but I'm hungry. So I've had to get these puree packets and feed those to her, basically. She sometimes will take regular wet kitten food if it's mixed with puree and a little bit of formula. Sometimes she won't. Well, most of the time she won't. The puree she takes about 100% of the time, though. She loves that. And because she barely turns 5 weeks tomorrow, I'm still concerned about, she needs to get enough nutrients and needs to get enough food. We need to keep that Buddha belly full. We need to keep that belly full. You're a good girl. So that's where we're at today. Yeah, she does not like the new formula I got. So I've had to give her puree. Sophie is doing great with her. You have to stimulate them because that's what the mamas do. Well, I haven't had to stimulate her in days. I mean, I still try, obviously, just to make sure. But Sophie does it herself. Yeah. Your big sister is gross. She's gross because she drinks your urine and will eat your poo. No, legitimate. Her tail was crusted with poo this morning. I was going to give her a butt bath when I woke up a little bit more, and by the time I woke up more, her tail is nice and smooth. And she doesn't even stink anymore. How about that? But she is doing wonderful. She truly is. You're such a good girl. You're a strong girl. Look at that nice big full belly. Yeah. She's really interested in water. She's tried earlier, but of course her aim and, got some up her nose. She didn't really like it. I still keep trying to get her into water because it would just make me feel better knowing she's getting actual fluid in her instead of just fluid from her food. But yeah, she's walking better. She's a lot more steady. Look at that. She is just this bundle of cuteness. I mean, how can you not love her? You go get me? You go get me? She's also really gentle when she plays. Oddly enough, with singletons like her, usually you kind of have an issue with you have to teach them how to be gentle, how to be soft. But she's already soft. I mean, yeah, she could bite really hard when she wants to. But I'd say 95% of the time, she is perfectly gentle. Which is actually really saying something for a kitten her age. They're still learning. So she's doing great in that area too. The other day, she met a Great Dane. I was spending the night at a good friend's house. I brought her with me, of course. And they had a Great Dane and 2 other cats. There was no hissing from the other cats at all. That Great Dane fell in love with her. And Alexa wasn't as scared as I thought she would be. She saw me petting the dog. His name is Brutus. So she saw me pet Brutus a lot and kind of hug him and give him love. So instead of trying to run or get away, she just kind of sat there and looked at him like, oh, hi, you're big. You're pretty big. And he gave her little tiny baby kisses with the tip of his tongue. It was the most adorable thing ever. Yeah, and he was a full-grown Great Dane too, a few years old. So, big dog. That's right, he was a big dog. But he was your friend, wasn't he? Yeah, he was your friend. You've kind of calmed down. You were a bundle ball of energy a minute ago. Where did it go? Aww. I love you, Alexa. I love you. You're a good girl. She's also really good about putting herself to bed when she gets tired. She walks right back in her house. Yeah, you do. When you're officially ready to nap, you put yourself to bed. How neat is that? Hi. Oh, we get feisty again? Yeah, you're getting feisty again. Oh, bless you. Does my thumb taste good? Alright, well, I'll end this video here. This video of adorable cuteness to brighten your day. And yeah, feel free to mute my voice if you want to watch it again. Just have cuteness and have her. hope you all have a really good day. Things have been going great with me, so I hope that passes on to you. Say bye-bye, Alexa. Bye-bye.